Before there were kingdoms, there was only the sound of steel meeting bone.
But what if I told you that the most feared race in fantasy wasn't born from darkness,
but from a single act of ultimate sacrifice?
Welcome back to Mythic Chronicles. Today, we're diving deep into the true origin story of the orcs. Not the savage beasts of legend, but a proud warrior civilization forged in blood and honor. From nomadic tribes wandering the harsh iron blacklands to the formation of the first great orc city-states. This is the story of how geography, culture, and one warlord's ultimate sacrifice shaped an entire race. We'll witness the epic final duel between Grimjaw Bloodthirsty, the aging Orc Lord, and Sir Valerian the Pure.
A battle that would determine the fate of two civilizations.
But first, let's journey back to where it all began.
The Iron Blacklands were no paradise.
Black rock soil, rich with iron ore, created wealth, but the rugged terrain and harsh climate made survival brutal.
Here, the orc tribes learned that only the strong endured.
Geographic isolation bred fierce independence, while constant resource wars forged their warrior culture.
but by the Great War period, everything was collapsing.
The old ways were dying. Lord Grimjaw Bloodthirsty knew his people faced extinction.
His red eyes, burning like ancient coals, gazed upon the approaching human army.
In the arena of gods, where legends were born and empires died, Grimjaw made his choice.
I challenge you to single combat, and winner takes all.
I accept your challenge in the name of justice.
Spirits speak of endings and beginnings.
Princess Alara watched from the sidelines, her emerald eyes filled with dread.
Valerian, barely 1.85 meters but perfect in knightly grace, accepted.
His blade, Lightbringer, hummed with holy power, his blue eyes blazing with righteous flame.
But this wasn't just about territory.
Grimjaw had realized something the young knight couldn't understand. Sometimes, to save your people's future, you must sacrifice your present.
The old magic stirs. Blood will seal the new covenant.
The aging warlord's muscles still rippled with power, green veins thick as tree trunks bulging from his arms.
The arena rolled, a brutal spectacle, and Alara's heart tightened with an unbearable dread.
Then came the twist that changed everything. As Valerian's blade found its mark, Grimjaw smiled.
This wasn't defeat. It was transformation.
My death unites them all.
His sacrifice united the scattered orc tribes under a new banner: honor through strength, wisdom through loss.
Valerian had won the battle, but lost the war.
The orc clans, witnessing their lord's noble death, abandoned their petty conflicts.
From nomadic chaos came structured empire, born from one warrior's ultimate sacrifice.
The great binding is complete. The clans are one.
Within decades, the Iron Blacklands transformed. Great forges roared to life,
And the Orc Empire was born. Grimjaw's death had become their birth, a civilization fully decent. The true origin of the Orcs wasn't savagery, it was sacrifice. Grimjaw Bloodthirsty's name became legend, but this is just the beginning of their story. Next week, we'll explore how the Orc Empire's military